Welcome to Jacob Eddad channel. If this is the first time for you to visit, thank you so much for visiting. Support the work, give us a like on this video. You can also subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, I can't thank you enough for subscribing and supporting the work. Continue watching our videos and giving us a like. Today I'm walking over here. It's in St. Paul. I'm gonna show you a spectacular view to my left here in a minute. It's cold, but it's a beautiful day to be outside and walk around instead of just sitting at home and doing nothing. You can see trees have no leaves because it's winter. Hopefully you're having a good day. Join me, let's walk over here. That building there is the Minnesota State Capitol. That's downtown St. Paul. You're gonna see a very nice, spectacular view. It's beautiful, as you can see. Probably this is the best view of the state capitol from this side. Minnesota State Capitol, St. Paul. From over here, you're gonna see a really nice view of the small downtown St. Paul. To my right over there. That's downtown St. Paul, and that's a Minnesota Supreme Court. That's a cathedral over there, State Capitol building. Really nice view from here. You can see downtown St. Paul isn't that big. It's pretty small. That gray building over there, that's Regions Hospital. Once again, thank you so much for joining me here. Just wanted to share with you this spectacular view of the State Capitol building, the cathedral over there, Supreme Court, Minnesota Supreme Court, and downtown St. Paul. This is the best view. Hopefully you're having a good day, good night, good evening, good afternoon in whatever you're doing. Once again, support the work, subscribe, and thank you for joining me. We'll see you on the next video. Peace out.